Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a basic top-down 2D player movement in Godot in 2 minutes. So to make that, first we have to add a kinematic body 2D. Name it something interesting. I will name it player. Then have to add a collision shape 2D as a child of the kinematic body 2D. Also add a sprite node. I am just going to use the Godot icon for the player. Let's zoom in a little bit to see it clearly. Now let's add the collision shape. I am going to use a rectangular shape because it would fit perfectly with the sprite. Hold Alt to resize it in every direction. After it's done, we will save the scene. After that's done, go to project and project settings. From here, go to input map and insert your own inputs. I am just going to write the inputs I am going to use. After that's done, click the little plus icon and add keys. After that, add a script to your player node. In here, we will make the player movement. First, delete all this. Now add a export variable of speed. This will define how fast our player goes. Also make a variable of vector 2. This will define if we are working with 2D or 3D. Now add a function of physics process delta. Add another vector 2, then add this line of code. If input dot is action pressed, the name of the action. Now if we are pressing the right key, our velocity dot x will be +1. That means we will go to right. On the other hand, if we press the left key, our velocity dot x would be -1. The same thing applies to the y-axis. After that, add this line of code. Above it, add this line. Save the script and let's run it. And it's working. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe.